Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down 5 tips to attract investment for your business. Stay tuned to find out what these tips are and how you can utilize them to grow and benefit your business. Focus on retaining customers. Starting a business is no easy feat, but keeping it afloat by attracting investors is even harder. Self-funding can only go so far, and with an increasing number of entrepreneurs emerging into the market, convincing investors to get on board is more challenging than ever before. But it's certainly doable, thanks to these 5 tips that help you attract and engage the investment your new business needs. The first tip is to focus on retaining customers. Rather than running after new customers, businesses are now focusing on retaining their existing customers by establishing brand loyalty. Investors are far more interested in refined businesses that have a higher rate of customer satisfaction, and therefore bigger revenues. So how does a business retain customers? One of the most trusted, foolproof ways of winning loyal customers is to deliver value through high-quality products and services. Go the extra mile to maintain your brand standard and always try to exceed your customers' expectations. Providing a level of quality that offers actual value to the customers will make them stick with your brand because they know they can count on you. Similarly, providing stellar customer service is equally important. Being responsive and following up on your customers regularly is an effective way to stay on top of their satisfaction. Customers also feel connected to a brand when their feedback, no matter positive or negative, is acknowledged with respect. This will allow you to not only gain the customer's trust, but also stay ahead of any issues before they get out of hand. Needless to say, stellar customer service can turn a negative review into a positive customer experience that can change the entire view of your brand. It's surely one of the best ways to build brand loyalty that lasts. Build a strong reputation. While your business is focused on retaining customers and establishing brand loyalty, it'll be on its way to building a strong reputation as well. Investors are guaranteed to take interest in businesses that are not just renowned, but also trustworthy and creditable. Besides focusing on customer satisfaction, you can maintain and accelerate your corporate reputation by being consistent. Your business should perform well and deliver what it claims to regularly, not just when it's convenient. It's also beneficial to have a noble edge. This means contributing to charity or getting involved in some form of social work, which can be especially effective with investors who have strong moral aspirations. Create a unique voice. The impact of finding a unique voice and an authentic story that represents your brand is often underestimated. Several surveys suggest that business investors are more likely to recognize and remember brands that are unique and embrace their originality. Investors are usually approached with many similar-looking pitches, so they're always looking for something different that catches their eye and inspires them to be part of your project. The main goal is to generate excitement among investors so that they're automatically attracted to your business. By emphasizing your originality, your business will also stand out from its competitors. Many successful businesses bring in more investment through compelling storytelling and a purpose that resonates with the audience. So it's not only necessary to create a brand voice and story, but also to utilize it in a way that your brand feels approachable to your audience and investors alike. Use digital marketing. In the aftermath of the global pandemic, countless businesses were forced to digitize their operations, and the bar is even higher in 2022. Now investors not only expect businesses to have a prominent online presence, but also look for a seamless digital experience. Statistics reveal that more than 90% of investors thoroughly research a business online before they commit to investing in it. So it's crucial to have a web presence that attracts them to your business. This further explains why digital marketers are investing in data-driven campaigns, such as paid ads and social media marketing, more than ever before. It's crucial to create a smoothly running, mobile-friendly website, alongside increasing customer engagement across social media platforms. Depending on the type of business you own, you can also build an e-commerce platform, include a variety of online payment options or digital wallets, develop an app for your business, and offer contactless delivery. These features will allow your site and social media accounts to look more professional, ensuring a positive first impression among investors. Extend your network. There's a common saying in the business world, your network determines your net worth. It can be backed up by the fact that over 79% of people falling in the high-income quartile spend at least 5 hours per month networking, according to numerous surveys. Successful business owners are well aware of the importance of building the right connections and meeting new investors through networking. They know it pays to have heightened visibility and a positive reputation in relevant circles, since it brings in new investment and increases their chances of working more productively with their next client, business partner, or collaborator. It also helps them stay in touch with the industry developments as well as current and upcoming opportunities. Besides the conventional ways of networking, you can also use online networking platforms and professional networking websites, or seek help from additional tools like incubators and accelerators. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay notified about our latest content. Also, check out the other videos on our channel. We'll see you soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.